6 months, brand new shock. RoughCountry, bud.
We started by lifting the vehicle, and then we supported it with a couple of jack stands. We then removed the tires and set them aside. After that, we began removing the RoughCountry shocks currently installed on the TJ.
Beat up there. It's almost like you go wheeling with this thing or something.
After removing the shocks, we brought them over to the bench and began disassembling them, removing the bushing and mounting plate from the RoughCountry shock, using a couple of sockets and the vise as a press. A good pry bar also came in handy to remove the mounting plate the rest of the way. After disassembling the RoughCountry shock, lower bushing, and mounting plate, we began disassembling the Bilstein shocks, lower bushing as well. We removed this bushing pretty well the same way we removed the RoughCountry bushing, using the vise as a press and a couple of sockets to drive the bushing out. After removing the bushing from the Bilstein shock, we pressed in the bushing from the RoughCountry shock using the vise. We then used a grinder to bevel the tip of the RoughCountry shock mounting plate so that it would slide easily back into the bushing now installed in the Bilstein shock. We then used the vise and a whole lot of persuasion to reinstall this mounting plate into this bushing and make this Bilstein shock functional as a Jeep TJ shock. We then installed the new shock into the Jeep and drilled holes to mount a remote reservoir system to the inner fender of the Jeep. After double checking this side, we proceeded to do the same job on the other side.
Broken shop, Curtis? RoughCountry is right. 6 months on the RoughCountry shock. Turn it upside down. Show them. Yep, she was a RoughCountry.
We finished installing the shock on the other side, reassembled the vehicle, and called it a night.